Michael, this is Matt, and I'm at the bench with your transmission apart. This is your transmission tore down on our bench. I'm going to go over some of the details. I'll start with the valve body. On the outside of the valve body, you can see the governor pressure solenoid is caved in the center where my finger's pointing, and it's just full of metal right here. They are electromagnets, and the metal is just everywhere. This is not something that is it happens in a short time without a problem. Also, on the end of this harness is definitely not replaced, it's used over, because this is broken and there's glue on it right here by my thumb. On the other side of the valve body, what they did is where they broke it, that's where this was. Used to be one piece, like so, on this other piece of plastic right here, and they broke it, so they just put glue on it, trying to hold it. And the outside of the switch, the outside of the harness connector is busted as well. You can see it's busted right there. Very, very poor quality. What we got inside the, I hope you can see this good. This is the inside of the filter. It's got lots of clutch debris from the torque converter and from inside the transmission. This is the inside of the filter. There's also a lot of metal in here, ground up. We opened the filter up so you could see the inside contents of it. Over here, that's the input shaft that breaks on these transmissions. It's not broke this time, but that's the one we're going to recommend you upgrade. On the outside of the transmission case, this thing is just filthy inside and out. This particular switch right here is the one they've got all kinds of glue on, some kind of pucky, like maybe an epoxy. They tried to get it to stop leaking. And this is the one that controls the park reverse lights and tells the computer what gear you're in. This transmission was taken off in one of the upper gears. It wasn't always even taken off in first gear. The torque converter, this is that arrow I was telling you about. It looked like they had marked it. There's an arrow just like it on the flywheel. Anyway, I can't tell if this is even a rebuilt torque converter or if it's a stock one, because I don't know. There's just nothing on it. There's some kind of sticker here. I don't know what this is. It's some glued on deal. It might be one of those heat deals. I don't know. Where if it overheats real bad, it changes color. In the pan, the thing that was bad about that is they didn't even put the magnet back in the pan. There's supposed to be a magnet in there to attract normal wear and tear in metal. We've got just a lot of burned up bands inside the transmission right there. There's your low reverse right there, and the clutches. And so now we're going to go to the truck. Michael, I'm going under your truck right now. We have their hot flush connected to your truck. As you can see, the lines are being flushed, and every 3 seconds there's a pulse of air in the reverse direction to flush out the lines. Right now the machine is up to 119 degrees, and our back pressure is about 55-60 pounds, and then we burst up over 90 pounds. Right now it's on a 30-minute flush, and then our pump is working there. Our flow at the moment is less than 3 gallons per minute. After the lines are flushed real well, we'll go ahead and check the screen in our machine and make sure that it's clean. It's under that cabinet. The back of the flywheel is okay at this time, but it wasn't going to be long. It was going to be gone and broken due to the fact that the bolts were loose.